Yo man, what's up? It's Fast Fireworks here. And I gotta tell you, the stove's doing pretty good. And we're in the heart of winter, and I've had better days. But we still got heat. And well, the winter started off kind of mild. But yeah, all of a sudden, everything has just gone to hell. So as you can see, we've got mountains and mountains and mountains of snow out here. I just got done my driveway. With this little beast here, I think it's about, I don't know, 10 horse, 9 horse maybe. Does a good job. Got my snow scoop, shovel. I'm just gonna leave my ladder out because I'll show you why. I don't even have any damn snow tires, so I gotta make sure I keep everything clean here. They just passed the plow. We got snowbanks, as you can tell. It's mad. That's what my house looks like right now. So I'm gonna have to get up there again to take some snow off. I did my shed. Absolutely ridiculous. The banks, I mean, I'd like to give you something for scale, but absolutely ridiculous. My roof has to be re-roofed, my part of it, and there's a tarp up there right now covering a leaky spot, but it's all covered with snow. But that's the back of the house, and then I got the porch back here. But as you can tell, it's yeah, we got mountains of snow everywhere. And it's heavy. We've had some mixed precip, and it's been kind of nuts. And we're just trying to stay ahead of it. Hopefully the snow's gonna stop. But I gotta tell you, now the cold is gonna set in. So next Friday it's gonna be minus 22 degrees with a high of minus 7. So that's my update up here from northern Maine. It's still coming down. This is probably the 4th or 5th significant snowfall of the year. And when it comes down, it does not take any prisoners, man. You just gotta fight it and go to work the next day. So like I say, Fast Fireworks, northern Maine, in the wintertime. We've had better days. 10-4, peace out. Take care, guys. Be safe.